Okay, so today we are going to start with this PS5. This is how the customer brought it. They removed the side panels. The problem with this one is the HDMI port. As you can see, it looks a little busted right there. So um, it powers on but no picture. So we are going to start by taking it apart and replacing the the HDMI. We have the HDMI replacement kit here. It's already, we have the new port right there. It's the HDMI, and we are going to start removing all the screws, keeping track of the screws always. So alright, I'm gonna pause the video right now because there's like so many screws on this one, and if you wanna see how this device is taken apart, follow me. I have already a video of how to remove or take this apart, so it should be a good video for you if you guys want to start. Always keep track of your screws, do not lose them. Put them back the way they were and in the exact same place they were. As you can see, I'll show you in a minute, this one right here and this one right here are almost the same length, right? But there are different shape. So keep track of your screws always. This one is a little smaller as well, and the one fall inside it. So there's going to be a cable right here. Keep always track of everything. And then at the end we are going to clean the fan as well. So right now this is how I'm gonna keep everything together. Okay, so see the screws right there. I know the one inside is inside. I'll remove. Oh no, see, they get lost. So this one right here, I'm gonna keep it with the fan just like this. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same with this top cover. So these ones, we know this little cover goes right by the cable, stays with the fan. Keep good track of your stuff. So alright, I'm gonna remove this. There's like a lot of screws right here and they are very tight, so I'm gonna remove them. Well, might as well just keep going. Alright, see, we can remove it. I'm gonna keep just working on this, and so otherwise the video is gonna be too long. Be back. Okay, and now that we have this motherboard out, we are going to try. We want to remove all this in this top cover. There is a bunch of screws right here, so this is going to take some time. I'm gonna have to pause the video again to continue with this. I have all the parts right here so far. so we got this out. We have this, and as you can see, it's broken. Plastic is broken right here, and some of the pads I believe won't even touch. So all right, let's move to the soldering station. Okay, and so we are here at the soldering station. Before we continue, we want to clean the areas. So there's like all of the pins. We want to try to make sure they are nice and clean. So alright, I'm gonna work a little bit under the microscope because I'm trying to get behind the phone and I can barely see anything, so I'm gonna work on under the microscope and I'll let you know how things go. Okay, now we are going to clean the pins. Alright, so it's time for us to place our new HDMI. You see the pads right here. The connectors are nice. That's how it's supposed to look. Right there. So now we're going to put the new connector in place. Might need a little push or more cleaning. Just make sure it's nice and flat, just like so. And let's check the other side. This one right here needs to be a little more in. So I'm gonna clean a little bit more and we'll be back. Alright, now that we have our HDMI port all the way in, we are going to apply some of our soldering paste. Just a little bit on each side. Right there, just to try to get one back in place. And we are going to apply flux in the back. For all these pins right here. The pins need to be nice and secure. And with our tweezers we're going to push down and while applying the heat. Not working the way it's supposed to. Alright, so I'm gonna apply a little more and I'm just gonna use heat and I'll show you at the end, okay? Alright, so now it's time for us to, this is what we have right here. The HDMI, new HDMI is good. We put a little little thing back in here. So now we are going to start cleaning. Alright, and now that we have all the screws and everything back in this area, we're gonna put the next one. Alright, so it's connected, as you can see. HDMI is going connected to that monitor, and we're just gonna have the light in there. Let's let it boot. It might take a minute or two. I don't see a fan spinning. Let's see if it runs. Just give it a minute. Is the light on in there? No, it's not. Oh, it's not connected. Maybe we connect the cable. That might help. Right there. And here we go. Wow, we have the beep, blue light. Still the light, still connected. We'll see. There we go. We have picture. Alright, so this is good repair. We got it. We fix it. Thanks for watching.